If Blender is giving you a glTF export error or your file just won't export the way you expect, this quick fix will help. In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons glTF export breaks and how to solve them fast. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Let's get into it. First, go to File, then Export, and choose glTF 2.0. If you do not see that option, go to Blender Preferences, open the add-on section, and make sure the glTF exporter is enabled. That alone can fix the problem for some users. Now for the real fix, before exporting, select your object and apply transforms. Just press Ctrl+A, then choose all transforms. This is important because scale, rotation, and location issues can cause export errors or broken results in other software. Next, open the export settings and make sure Apply Modifiers is turned on. Also enable selected objects if you only want to export the objects you have chosen. These two settings help keep the export clean and prevent unwanted scene data from causing problems. If the export still fails, the next thing to check is whether your model uses geometry nodes or unsupported shaders. glTF works best with standard mesh objects and PBR materials, so complex procedural systems and advanced material setups can cause issues. If needed, remove the geometry nodes modifier or apply it first, then convert the object to a mesh by going to Object, then Convert, then Mesh. That gives you a simpler, more export-friendly model. The key thing to remember is that glTF is designed for game-ready assets, so simpler models usually export more reliably. If you keep your scene clean, use supported materials, and apply transforms before export, you'll avoid most glTF export problems in Blender. And that's the fix. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tips, export fixes, and workflow tutorials.